안녕 친구들, I'm your Korean friend Haley. How's your Korean study going? What is the most difficult thing of learning Korean? Memorizing vocabulary or learning Korean grammar? Grammar. So let's talk about the grammar today. When you decided that I'm going to start learning Korean grammar, and then you might think like, but I don't know what to start, right? So today I'm going to let you know 4 steps of learning Korean grammars. So it will be easy and fun, and let's go! Step 1. Learn verb and adjective dictionary form. Haley, what is dictionary form? Okay, so I'll let you know. Dictionary form is a dictionary form. So when you look at dictionary, there is a base form. So like go, eat, right? So you can find the verb and adjectives in the dictionary. And the base form is called dictionary form. So for example, go in Korean is 가다, 가다. And then when you see here, 가 is the meaning part and 다 is the grammar part. 다 doesn't have any meaning. 가 is the meaning part. So when you move on to next step, you will know how to conjugate the grammar points with the present tense, past tense, and future tense. When you look at the dictionary form like a verb and adjectives, you have to know, this is the grammar part. So I will change it with the present tense, past tense, I will change it later. But the meaning part, 가, this part, doesn't change. So I will just keep this, but I will change the grammar part, right? So step 1 is to know what is the meaning part, what is the grammar part. Okay, you got it? Good. Let's move on to the step 2. Step 2, learn tense. Now you know dictionary form, right? And it's time to change it with tense. For example, English, go. And you know I go, I went. The past tense, I will go. Future tense. You know present, past, and future tense, right? In Korean, you have to know that too. So for example, go is 가다, the base form, the dictionary form. And then when you want to say I go is 저는 가요. So you have to change it to the present tense. And then I went is 저는 갔어요. So it's a past tense. And I will go 저는 갈 거예요. Future tense. So these tenses, you have to know it, right? You have to learn how to conjugate with tense. Present, past, and future. So I actually made the videos related to tenses so that you can check it out over there, here, there. So step 2, learn tenses. Step 3, learn sentence structures. Now you know tenses, right? How to conjugate verb and adjectives. Okay? And it's time to learn sentences. Sentences, it's a little bit different from English. So I'll tell you. English sentence, I love you. I love you. I, subject, love, verb, and you is object, right? So English sentence, it comes with subject, verb, and object, right? And what about Korean? Korean, let's look at this. I love you in Korean. 나는 너를 사랑해. So let's look at this sentence. 나는, I, so it's a subject. 너를, it's you. And 사랑해, it's verb, right? So the Korean sentence comes like subject, object, and verb. Okay? So Korean sentence structures is a little different. So subject, object, and verb. And in here, we also put the markers. So this is a topic marker and this is the object marker. So in this step 3, you have to learn Korean sentence structures and then the markers. The subject marker, topic marker, and object marker. So you have to learn these in step 3. Step 4. Practice with many sentences. Now you know Korean sentence structures. And it's time to practice with many Korean sentences. So for example, when you're listening to K-pop, look at the lyrics. Lyrics. And then not only just listening like this, you have to analyze the sentence. So for example, my favorite song is BTS Spring Day. So 봄날, BTS 봄날. And this is the one sentence from the BTS 봄날. 눈꽃이 떨어져요. 눈꽃이 떨어져요. So in here, you have to analyze the sentence. You can analyze by yourself, it's good. But when you're a beginner, it's quite hard to analyze by yourself. So I got the best application for analyzing sentences. This is called 미리네. 미리네. This is an application that you can use it in your phone. So look at here. And in here, they said 눈꽃이 떨어져요. This is the subject and verb, right? And then with the subject, 눈꽃 is the snowflower. 이 is a subject marker. And then 떨어지 is the meaning part of to fall. And 어요 is the present tense. So this app is analyzing the sentence one by one. So step 4 is to practice with many sentences. Good points of this app is there is also related lessons over there. So for example, in this sentence, this app wants to let you know 2 grammar points. Particle 이 가, so this is the subject particle, and then the sentence ending 아, 어, 여요. So it also tells you what to learn after this. Not only analyzing the sentences, it also has the related lessons so that you can learn it. So in this time, I want to know the sentence ending 아, 어, 여요 and click it. And it tells you what is the 아, 어, 여요 grammar points. And you can learn it one by one with this app. And in this step 4, I highly recommend this 미리네 app. You can download in the App Store and Play Store. Okay, 친구들, did you get it? How to study Korean grammar? I know learning language is very difficult. I know that. But when you practice one by one with these steps, Korean grammar will be easier. So I hope you keep Hwaiting. If you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe my channel. And I have also the Instagram and I uploaded the short videos over there so you can check out the videos here. So thank you so much and see you next time, 친구들. 친구들, 안녕!